The purpose of this video is to show the facts from the original 2015 Yamaha R3 owner's manual. I believe it is copyrighted and Yamaha owns this information, but I'm just publishing it or showing you the information in it, mainly because every time I need to figure out something in this, I have to go find this book, and it'd just be easier if it was online somewhere for me. And so I hope this is useful for you. If you're a Yamaha lawyer and wish for me to take this down, I will. I'm not trying to make any money off of this video of this information. It's just information. If this video was helpful for you, let me know. If I messed up anywhere, like my thumb is in the way or there was too much movement and you can't see something, let me know. I believe this manual applies all the way up to the 2018 Yamaha R3, and even beyond that, I'm pretty sure most of the stuff still applies. I think that they just upgraded the looks of the bike, but mechanically it's all still the same. And I say that now as of the year 2023. If you have any questions, let me know. Comment below. If you own a Yamaha R3, I would recommend saving this. You're going to need to go back to it probably a couple times if you plan on keeping that bike for a while.